the brochure.
He's already won one. He's got the pressure being the defending world champ. But you know what? This guy definitely has handled pressure before. He's in 2:29. The next minute and a quarter is going to decide who the champion is here in San Diego.
Let's inside the right and see if he gets himself. Wow, that was very close to not being level going through gate 3. I'm sure the students will have a look at it.
What was that?
That was a big speed. He's managed to control.
Oh, he hit a bird!
First time.
I just saw blood.
Big circle though. That looks very wide.
Super wide.
That was sick.
Nuts!
He was 3/10 of a second ahead. Incorrect night flight. I thought he got into that gate lane. Oh my goodness. This is not going to bode well. He's got to blaze this horse if he's got any chance.
Probably got stripped.
Yeah, that bird was
So that's really the realistic one now.
What?
There's nothing left.
No, there were like chunks, like pieces. I thought it was part of his plane, but I was like, he didn't hit the pylon.
I was like, what was that?
Yeah, you can see it floating around.
He
probably doesn't know what it was yet.
He's gonna. No, he probably saw it.
No, he didn't have time to see it. There's no way he knew what that was. He probably heard it. Yeah. I doubt he realizes what it was yet.
Probably.